All right, once we get our panels on, fold over our bends if they're a little long onto the 2x2, and we'll go ahead and start doing our rake caps. So first we're going to take our 6-inch end disc. We're going to place it in here. You can see just modified it by bending and cutting. Put that in with our 3/4 inch stitch screws. And then depending on where we put our batten, we can kind of play with this in and out, but here it's at 3 inches. And we'll just put a 90-degree bend on one side of that cap. It's going to fit on just like so, and make sure that end cap's up nice and tight. Then we'll just come back with our fasteners. We're going to go one into that 2x2 through the top, just like so. Then we'll get one on the fascia side. Just like so. And then we'll just go ahead and have that 90-degree bend on there. Put them tight on there. Make sure they're sitting on our fascia. Fasten it down into that 2x2. And then one into the fascia. And we'll just continue going up our rake to the top. Now the fasteners down through the top, just like my bottom row. I will go ahead and take my caulking and caulk those, and then come back with my granules for my touch-up kit and put those into that caulking. When we come to a rake and ridge intersection, you want to do the following steps for your bend up method. So we'll go ahead and notch our first cap. Place that just like so. Make sure I have some extending past. And we'll install that as normal. Fasteners on the front side and my fascia side. And then we're going to find our miter that's going to be even with our fascia. And then we'll go ahead, come over just like that. Make sure that's a nice straight miter. And fasten that one. And then we'll go ahead and take our caulking. Caulk across this. Then we're going to come back with our cap and just notch where the ridge cap runs into my rake cap on either side. And you can see we'll just have that right over the top, just like that. And go ahead and fasten that one. Into my 2x2 on either side. Then we can go ahead and start running our ridge. Fasten that down into my 2x2.